When it comes to cleaning our homes and workspaces, there are plenty of cleaning materials readily available to buy. In this video, we'll have a look at the harm some of these materials cause to the environment. Most common household cleaners contain some form of detergent and are packaged in containers which aren't always recyclable. These cleaners include such chemicals as phosphates and bleach, which, once used, find their way down the drain and into watercourses. Phosphates can create algal blooms in fresh water. The algae use up the oxygen, which is then not available for the aquatic life. Chlorine in bleach reacts with minerals and elements present in the water to form a host of dangerous toxins, which take a long time to break down and are referred to as persistent organic pollutants. There are legal requirements for the type and amount of detergent and bleach allowed in household cleaners in an attempt to control these levels, but the best option for the environment is to look at alternatives. There are plenty of products available for sale that will clean your home and office and that claim minimal harm to the environment. The suggestion I have for you this time is to read the label carefully before deciding to buy. Things to look out for are ingredients. Look for natural plant-based ingredients that have been grown organically. These ingredients will biodegrade without contaminating watercourses. Avoid palm oil, chlorine bleach, synthetic scents, dyes, optical brighteners, phosphates, sodium lauryl sulfate and parabens. These are bad for your skin as well as the planet. Eco-certifications, and make sure they don't have the cause harm to aquatic life caution. Recyclable packaging and where the cleaner is produced. I hope this gives you enough information to help you make an informed choice when buying cleaning chemicals. Another time, we'll have a look at some cleaning recipes that you could make up for yourself.
If you found this video interesting and useful and would like to know more, please visit our website to see the range of environmental courses we offer. You can also find us on LinkedIn and Twitter.